Good morning, dreamers. This is, I hate to say it's Saturday. This is our last full day on the ship today. And I'm telling you, I've been an absolute fabulous time. Don't want to get off tomorrow, but I never do. This experience in the Yacht Club has just been fantastic. From right now, from the start to, I'm sure, tomorrow morning till finish, it's just been so much fun, and been treated by every staff member like royalty. And they're just all so nice and helpful and fun. We've met a lot of nice people on this cruise. We kind of stayed up late last night, probably almost like 1 o'clock in the morning. In the top sail lounge, just chatting with some folks we met that just very exceptional people, and it's been fun. And the crazy thing about the ship within a ship, it is a ship within a ship. I mean, we have not ventured out hardly at all, and I like to go do my filming of the ship and walking around and see ins and outs and how to get around. Usually try to pick a whole day to do that, and nope. Just been chilling off the island yesterday, which you'll see a lot of video about that. But I just literally have stayed here for the most part in and around the Yacht Club, which the Yacht Club experience is probably better than what I thought. And I would say I was a little worried because I thought, is it going to be? I have this expectation. Is it going to be as good as I think it is? And yes, at 100% yes. So anywhere from the food to the chill. Like right now I'm up on the 19th deck right at the front of the ship. You can see the lighthouse right over there where we were having drinks yesterday, which I'm sure you'll see videos of that. But it's just been fantastic. We were going to get off today and go try the menu again at the Ocean House, the Yacht Club area on the island, but we decided we're staying. And there's the Falcon. Sorry, we have some Falcons that have been cruising around the ship, and also one landed on our balcony yesterday. I was so excited. Anyway, we got off, had lunch. We were going to do that today, but plans changed with our new friends, shipmates that we met last night. We're all meeting at 2 o'clock in the top sail lounge, and we're going to go do water sledding. I'm going to get my wife. I'm putting this on camera. They said she has to do it. She said she'll do it. So we're going to go do the double water slide where you can ride a tube together, and definitely going to film that with a GoPro. So I'm really excited about that. If she actually does it, I am stoked. So we're meeting up at 2 o'clock to do that. We ventured out. We went and saw a show last night. Night before, our first night. It was very good. Escorted by the butler to our, where the Yacht Club sits in the theater. So anyway, I just wanted to touch base this morning and say good morning, dreamers. This is Saturday. I think would it be day 3 of our little 3-day journey, and it's been fabulous. So well, definitely more video to come, and I will talk to you soon. All right, bye, dreamers. Enjoy your day. Like you got to do the Romanian driver.
Romanian driver.
Yeah, I had to get that on video. So thanks for doing it again.
Driver.
Yes.
Yes. School in progress. You say bad driver, they don't believe it.
Oh yeah.
Romanian driver, by the time I'm in process, what I said, it's a long time. Hello.
Hey.
Two bad drivers. In this life, we have to laugh every day, many times.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we gotta laugh every day.
Absolutely.
You see, even the rain stops because you're laughing.
Yep.
Woohoo!
You ready, love? How you doing? Excited? Woo! It is dark, but there we go.
Oh my God.
You can't see, but we're having fun. We're zipping around. Oh, my butt's warm. Oh, here we go. Where are we going?
To spa.
We're going to the spa. The Aria.
The Oreos.
Oreos. Yeah, right. The Oreo cookie spa.
The Oreo cookie spa.
Okay. Anyway, we just got in on the water slide, so now we get an hour or so in the Aria spa. So we're just going to do the thermal suite, and we'll let you know what's involved with that.
It's the ice room.
Oh, it's the ice room?
See when nobody's in here.
Okay, oh lordy. Okay.
This is the ice room. You can see there's ice. There's some all on the floor.
On the
So if you need to cool. Stop it. So if you need to cool down,
this is we.
then you come in here.
I think it's refreshing. Hold on.
Make them stop.
Snowballs. Ooh, I could be in here for a minute.
Oh, it smells good in here too.
Yeah, a little bit. Pretty cool. So anyway, this is on a serious note. This is the cold room.
This is the cold.
Thank you guys very much, brethren. I appreciate you very much. All the it's absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much.
After another year now with you, now we don't know your address.
Yes.
Take care. Have a good one, huh?
Yeah. And thank you guys so
Surprise
much.
us
Hopefully
again.
see you again. Yes, I would
Of
love
course,
to.
of course.
100%.
Maybe next time she show.
Yeah, exactly.
Or see escape.
Yeah, there we go. Yep. All right, so there. He's escorting us off the ship. Yeah.
Travel
Thank
safe.
you. Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Yay, how does it?
Hey. Best.
It's been a pleasure. Thank you again.
Yeah. That's Romanian driver ever.
You know, I drive the ship crazy.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
The driver special for the island.
Oh, the driver on the island, that's my twin sister.
Always, yeah. That's yeah.
The naughty one.
Thank you for everything. You absolutely made our day, the fruits and everything.
This is Krista.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have journey home. Yeah. Take
Yeah.
care.
Thank you. I mean, I know it's okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You
Take
guys
care.
just made our everything. So.
Take care. Yeah.
My bald head.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.